This is Rozina with Persian Potato Salad or Salad Olivieh. Hi everyone, I'm Rozina. حالتون چطوره? It means how are you in Farsi language. Very welcome to this channel and it's lovely to see you all. I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to make Persian potato salad or salad Olivier. Olivier salad is a traditional Russian potato salad. And while similarities shares between Russian potato salad with Persian version of potato salad, but yet Persian potato salad has its own distinct twist. Iranian version of potato salad or Olivier salad made with boiled eggs, potatoes, chicken or sausages, and for dressing simply mix mayonnaise with salt and pepper and lemon juice. Regardless of its origin, salad Olivier, or as we say in Farsi language, salad Olivieh, now it's a part of Iranian cuisine. Salad Olivier is a beloved Iranian staple and served as an appetizer or as a light lunch for picnic and sandwich. Salad Olivier served in most of parties and family gatherings in Iran. If you grew up in an Iranian family and home, likely you have lots of memories from eating this delicious salad Olivier during the weekend or as a sandwich for your school, university, or as a street food. So let me show you how to make this delicious Iranian version of potato salad or Olivier salad. Ingredients for making this salad are: for making Persian Olivier salad, we need 4 medium-sized potatoes, 4 eggs, 3 carrots, 200 gram cooked chicken breast, sausages or ham, 1 cup or 4 large pickled cucumber, 1 cup green peas. You can either use canned, frozen or fresh. And for dressing, we'll need 1 lime, or you can use lemon if you prefer, 1 1/4 of mayonnaise, salt and pepper to taste, and virgin olive oil. Oh, by the way, find the full written ingredient list in the description below. Okay, let's get started. In a large pot, add 4 potatoes and 3 carrots. Cover completely with water and cook about 20-25 minutes or until they are easily pierced with a fork or perhaps a knife. Just keep in mind, don't overcook. Remove carrots and potatoes from water and set aside to cool. Next, I'm going to boil 4 eggs. Cover eggs with water and cook eggs for 8-10 minutes or until hard boiled. Set them aside to cool at room temperature. And here are cooked carrots, potatoes, and eggs. Okay, put the cooled potatoes onto a large bowl. Then mash potatoes using a potato masher. And it doesn't matter at all. It's an electric hand whisk or potato masher. Okay, now chop the peeled hard-boiled eggs finely or mash them with a fork until crumbly. And then add them to the mashed potatoes. Now it's time for pickles. Dice 4 pickled cucumbers for a nice crunch. Of course, if you like a bit of crunch, and add them to the bowl. Then add 1 cup of cooked green peas to the mixture. Now I'm going to chop 200 gram cooked chicken breast. You can either chop the chicken meat or shred it, and then add it to the mixture. For making dressing, add 1 1/4 of mayonnaise onto a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of beautiful virgin olive oil, and season with salt and pepper, and then add 1 large lemon or lime juice. Mix it gently until well combined. Add mayonnaise sauce to the salad. Use 2 wooden spoons to combine everything and mix until all the salad ingredients are evenly coated. The mixture will be chunky but will hold together. Maybe you ask, so when will you add cooked carrots to salad Olivier? Well, you could finely dice and add it to salad like other veggies before mixing with mayonnaise sauce, or grate it and do like this. Spread some cling film on the work surface, then add grated carrots and flatten them on the film. Put the potato salad in the center of the carrots and gather the cling film together and shape the mixture into a ball. Exactly like this. Yes, perfect. And then remove the cling film. Ta-da! Wonderful. For more decoration, you can make a tiny hole in the ball-shaped olive salad and design it with green leaves. Persian potato salad or salad Olivier is typically served chilled, scooped onto a platter or individual plates. You can eat it as it is for a nice lunch or take it to work. Lavash flatbread or pita bread is a common accompaniment, so our salad Olivier can also be enjoyed as a sandwich filling, stuffed into a baguette or lavash bread and make a beautiful sandwich. Looks so good. Yum! Olivier salad is a combination of flavors and it's difficult to describe it in a single word. But anyways, it's time to test the taste. Delicious. The mayonnaise sauce brings a creamy richness, pickles add salty flavor, and fresh crunch and refreshing and just satisfying. Keep the Olivier salad in the fridge for at least an hour before serving. It can be kept in the fridge covered for 2 or 3 days. I hope guys you enjoyed this recipe and give this a try. Thank you very much as usual for all of you for watching my videos, for those who share these videos with others, for your lovely comments, and I'm very grateful for each and every one of you. I will catch up with you for another recipe soon. God bless and lots of love. Bye. Ba-dum, ba-dum.